Welcome to my Sitecore Diaries, and this is Sitecore interview question video series. Today's question is: what are the differences between traditional CMS and headless CMS? Difference between traditional and headless CMS. Okay, so let's define first of all what is traditional CMS. In traditional content management system, that is CMS, the backend which will have a content management database and server side logic, and front end that is contains a presentation layer are tightly coupled. Okay, we have seen the last diagram that both the presentation layer, that is the front end, and the back end are tightly coupled. The CMS handles everything from content creation, storage to rendering the website pages. That is very important, that it is also handle the rendering the website pages in the traditional CMS. Then if you talk about the headless CMS on other hand decouples the backend from the front end. We have seen the example that it separates out your head from the body. The CMS handles content management and storage but does not dictate how the content is presented. So in the traditional CMS, it also has a responsibility to render the website pages, but in case of headless CMS, that is not a part of your CMS. Instead, it provides a content via APIs, allowing any web content, it can be a web, mobile or IoT, to consume it. Okay, so it provides the content via the APIs in the format which can be consumed by website, web application, mobile application or IoT application. Now let's see different points in the traditional CMS. We already seen traditional CMS is a tightly coupled architecture. It is front end and back ends are interconnected with specific template system. So in the Sitecore MVC, if you are building a website, you build the page template as well as a data template, and those are tightly bind, right? So page templates are required from the Sitecore to render the complete page, right? Then you have a single technology stack. So in the Sitecore CMS, you must have seen that both the front end and the back end, Sitecore CMS, MVC CMS, you must have seen the front end and back end use the same stack, that is the .NET.